What we doing, dog?
Do some stuff and some things. What you about to do?
Fix some dents.
Well, I got this thing jacked up this morning. I came in a little early to take this front bumper off. I've got the camper shell ready to come off. Took the taillights off. And you're gonna work on dents, and I'm gonna work on getting it ready to either buff or Poppys Patina. I haven't decided yet.
You gonna take side markers, blinker, everything?
Yep.
It looks cooler without the camper. I like it.
I do too, but man, I like the freaking camper. That's why I bought the truck. Because it had a cool ass camper.
Well, it comes off easy.
First time seeing it without a camper. Now it's time
to beat and bang.
Woo! What is all this stuff?
Oh, beating and banging block.
What you about to beat and bang on, this one?
Yeah, it's a little low, so if I can just kind of bring it out, I mean, the scratches are still going to be there.
I like the scratches. The scratches give it character.
Just straighten out as much as we can.
This stuff too?
I'm going to try. It's going to be real hard to get to. That one over there is going to be the hardest on the top of the bed rail.
The dually?
No. This.
Oh, damn. Nah, boy, I could you just dang dog beat and bang. Ding, ding.
You can't get to the back side of it.
Yeah, you just need a hammer. That's what you do. I could get this dent out.
Well, I'll get the bumper off and you get these dents out.
Let me have that bang and bang block.
This one, if I can just get somehow to, maybe I can get underneath here with something.
Like way up underneath here?
Well,
can you?
no.
Oh man, that sucks. All right.
But maybe it'll come out, if I can come down here a good bit, because it's up high. It's all high all the way back to there. So maybe coming down with it there will kind of help push out there.
All right, let's get to
low,
work.
low.
All right, I got the front bumper off. It's into the side, so that way I can either Poppys or polish all this stuff. Gotta take the side markers off next. Russell, what'd you say you found?
Oh,
Right
something I
tool?
could hammer with.
Ah, that's the way to get it out smooth? Oh, dude, it already looks way better.
Yeah, I've stopped about right here. You can see the difference in depth in this side and this side.
I don't know if it shows up on camera, but
You can feel it for sure.
Yeah.
And then you can see this top one I hadn't done yet.
Yeah.
So the white's not showing the dent, but what I got is just a Sawzall blade. And I can put this against there and you can see the gap. You see that gap?
Hold up, I'm going the wrong way. There we go. Yeah, dude, you can definitely see it.
So the dent is there and it's all the way down here.
Yeah.
You look down here at this one.
Ooh, look at that. A flat surface.
So I just need to get this one punched out and then we'll come back and look at how it looks.
You know what?
No, what?
It's almost like you're a dang dope professional.
I've done it a couple times. Okay, show you my progress so far. I got these two front dents looking pretty good. Pretty flat now. I've got one right there and a couple little ones right here. But I'm gonna save these because I'm gonna have to have a tool and push those out. So I'm gonna do all the ones I can peck out. There's a good dent here. It's hard to see on this white. You can kind of get that reflection of this one back here. So we're gonna start pecking on all those, keep popping them out. So Chase is pulling off the grill and stuff, and while he's got it off, we're going to straighten out some of these imperfections in it. But he's taking it off so we can polish behind the edges of it.
Russell said I didn't have to do it. He didn't want me to do it, but I'm doing it anyways.
And so we're going to do it.
I like taking stuff apart. This time I'm gonna put this sucker back together. That's gonna be the difference. This one's going right back together.
I'm down to the hardest dent on the truck. If you can see this one, I don't know, can you tell? It is pretty big right there. and I can't get to the back side of it. So I'm gonna try to hammer on the top of this and see how much of it pops out on its own. And then I may have to make me a tool to slide in through the tail light pocket and come up here and push on the back side of it a little bit. So we'll see. So Chase got the grill off, and it was the right choice because it's gonna look a lot nicer underneath there. And then while we're at it, these dents, you see these big dents in this top piece? I'm gonna see if I can straighten those out a little. I'll have to straighten out where the impact was. You can see right there, that is bent in, boom, boom. So I'll have to straighten that out, but then our grill will be a lot straighter. I haven't straightened a lot of stainless. I wish I had a little nylon hammer and a nylon block. That'd be really nice. But I think I can make it look better than it does, as long as I don't mar up the face. So I got a couple more little dents to fix on the truck, and then we'll come over here and see how this trim for the grill turns out. So I'm working on this dent that's in this fender right here on the very bottom front, trying to get it to stay out. And then I look down here and I see this corner. See how sharp that is? It is not supposed to look like that. It's rolled up right there on that edge. It's supposed to be round like this. I'm gonna give that a little bit of love. We're gonna grab it first with these little old pliers and just straighten out this inside lip. I don't know why I started talking so country right there. It just felt natural. So we got that going our way a little bit. We're gonna take this round dolly here, put it up in this Kona. And I'm pulling on this dolly pretty hard just to give it some pressure. That's coming out now, y'all. I need a different hammer. Somewhere I got another hammer. I don't know if this one's gonna work. No, I knew it. That's why I grabbed that little one. Sweet. That looked more better. Now, that panel is tight. I've got tension on that panel. Let me make sure that's not holding it. Yeah, that panel's tight. So that dent is basically gone now. And I just have this lower one right here, which is it's deep. So it's gonna be pretty tough considering I can't get to the back side of it.
See, if I wouldn't have taken this grill off, you wouldn't get this.
I know, that's what, hey, listen, I also made a video saying Chase made the right choice by taking this apart.
He's lying to y'all. He didn't want me to take
Wes,
it off.
you make sure you put that section in the video. And it was the right choice because it's going to look a lot nicer underneath there.
All right, so what are we getting? We're getting this dent out right here?
Yeah, Chase pulled on it a little bit.
Not
So
much.
what I want you to do is take this hammer and tap right here while I'm pulling out.
I got a tappy tap?
Yeah.
Whoa! It's pretty good.
Well, we just need to come back in.
It needs to go in. Mo better?
Mo better. I like it. It is not perfect, but it looks better than it did, buddy. You can see right there was a dent. You can kind of see that reflection in it right there. And then right there. And the bad one was right there. That was the worst one. So I think we're gonna scuff these up with some Scotch-Brite or some SOS pads or something like that. And you shouldn't even notice those dents were in it. I mean, you could definitely take it a lot further. They have a set of dollies, or you could make dollies. I've seen some for sale, I feel like, that are made just for straightening trim. There's a lot of different shapes and contours to get into some of these nooks and crannies a little better, but I made it work with what we had, so I'm happy with it. What you doing, Chase?
I am still taking apart this truck.
Oh, we're getting rain gutters off.
We're just
all the little knick-knack pieces.
We're just gonna paint it.
You want to just go ahead and paint it?
Let's take it, Leggett, take it over to the, go ahead and do the body work. Let's just paint it.
We got to put a rocker in it if we're doing that.
Let's don't paint it. We gotta go to LS Fest, so let's just make it as nice as we can make it. What's going on, everybody? I am going to polish this truck that you see behind me. We worked on it yesterday. Me and Russell, we washed it with some Dawn dish soap. I was just trying to get any oxidation off of here that I can, any of the grime. And then I've been using this, I had to go to O'Reilly's and try to find a, what is this, clay bar kit. And they had the McGuire's one that came with 3 of these clay bars. And if you've never clay barred a car, what it does is it gets off any kind of contamination. Like if you run your hand across your car, you'll feel that it feels kind of gritty, and this gets all that off. You use some of this quick detailer right here, and then you just kind of take this, rub across. You'll see it. You'll watch me do it, because I've got a couple more spots left to do on this vehicle. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a one and done compound, a turtle wax. Got it right here. We're gonna use this. I've used this on my Raptor. I've used it on another truck, just testing spot. And I really like it because it's not a heavy, aggressive compound, but it really shines up. And then we're gonna follow it up with a wax. I've got a DA, a random orbital polisher, and we'll use that and with the orange pad and wax, hit it with the wax, the turtle wax, ceramic wax. So anyways, I'm gonna quit jibber jabbing and talking, and we're gonna get to work, y'all. Come along. All right, I got my drill master from Harbor Freight, got my wool pad. I've really never used a wool pad. I've always used foam pads on vehicles, but this truck, we're not gonna hurt it. So we're gonna use the one and done compound from Turtle Wax. It's a Hybrid Solutions ceramic compound. And then we're gonna follow up with a foam pad with, I can't remember half the stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna use the foam. Oh man, I'm freaking slinging compound everywhere. Look at the truck. I got it all over the truck. I wasn't even paying attention. I got a little excited. Anyways, I'm about to try this out and try to make this thing shinier than it is. And let's get into it, man. All right, so I've already done half of the hood. Going ahead and now hit it with the wool pad right here. So now I'm gonna grab my Griot's Garage. It's a random orbital polisher, and I'm gonna try it with the orange. This is a light cutting pad. I'm gonna try it with the To The Max wax. This is a graphene infused wax. It's what I used on my Raptor. We're gonna hit this side and see if we can make it just really pop. So I'm gonna do that now. Got it on low speed. I'm just trying to put the product all over this hood. I'll turn up the speed now, and we're gonna wax it. Let's see what we can do. Oh, thank you. Where'd that go? Did it get on the floor?
Huh? No, I took it off the hood.
Okay. You dropped it, was it on the floor?
No, I took it off the hood.
Okay, you took it off the hood, okay. All right. I think I want to Poppys it. I don't know. It's a hard decision. It's a very hard decision. Going back and forth. I mean, it looks great, honestly. For spending that little bit of time on that section of hood, I mean, I can knock this thing out. I can have this done by 7 if I bust ass and keep at it. So, I think this is what I'm gonna do. Freaking wax it. Let's go. I'll show you a spot that you can tell a huge difference in. Watch this. This has not been polished much, and this has. You can see the shine, how it shines. Anyways, I'm almost done with polishing Crusty behind me. It's not looking so crusty anymore. It's gonna look good as soon as we start putting the bumpers back on it and all the body molding, because we got wheel molding, we got brand new molding on the sides. It's gonna look good. But I'm gonna put y'all down. I think I'm done for the night. I'm gonna head home. Y'all have a good night or good day or whatever time you're watching this. Have a good one, and remember to do what makes you happy. See you next time.